Okay, we've got 4 outputs. We got 3 TV monitors, all coming from one input, and the one input is an HDMI computer. And if you look at this particular output, it's scaled perfectly, and we got one that's in the right-hand side that's scaled perfectly too. And if you look at the other ones, the only way that we can get these to scale perfectly is we have to actually use that TV and change the aspect ratio on the TV. And if we do it that way, then it goes to a full screen. But the unfortunate thing is it doesn't save that setting. So if we leave the room for a period of time, when we come back, I don't know if it's like for a day or two, we haven't yet figured out what causes it to lose its setting, but it'll lose its setting. While that TV over there never loses its setting. And that TV, that monitor, and this projector, we're going to show you right now, are not coming out of HDMI outputs. So let's go check those out. Can you get that? If you look at these two guys right here, I don't know what this type of output is, but one of those goes to the first one, the 3B, I mean, goes to the projector, and then the 4B goes to that monitor that's on the wall. So these two have no problems with scaling. Now then, we do have an input. We only have one input that's on input 1. Is that the top or bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom, input 1. And then for our outputs, our HDMI 1 output, it goes into this device right here, which has a model number DTP HDMI 230TX, and then we're running this over Ethernet, and that's going to the rear display. And then one last thing, which is our HDMI 2. That one has an HDMI cable, and that goes straight to the display, and that's another one of the displays that doesn't work. Now, I don't know what this is. Do you know what this is? Right
no.
here. Oh, this probably goes to our controller. So the front controller, the front control panel. So that's what that is. So that's how it's set up, and whatever these little Ethernet things that come out of E3B and 4B, E4B, those have some type of scaler in it that we want to, I guess, purchase. Okay, so here's another problem with the scaler. At least this is what they tell me. I don't know if this is, but I want you to look at these screens, and you'll notice that that one is full screen because these two are full screen because we use the remote control. The one on the right is a full screen because it's got that scaler thing, and then the projector has no problems. And notice that all of them have good coloring. Okay, so nice color. I'm going to go ahead now and switch over so that right now I'm on extended display. So I'm on a Chromebook with extended display. I'm going to now do a mirrored display, and let's see what happens. Look on these ones right here, look at the length of time it takes it to cut over. I was told that's due to a scaler problem, whereas, let's focus in on that screen over there. Yeah, let's focus in. I'm going to show you how fast this screen switches. We want to do it extended. So, see how fast that switches, and I'll go back to mirror. It's very fast, and so that works out fine. And then the third thing is, look at the screen back there, how it dropped back down to a small, not extended full. So if I wanted to make that work, I have to adjust the aspect ratio to make it big. Now, one thing I can't show you because I don't have this here, but we use this thing called a Miracast. It's a wireless HDMI adapter. And when you use the Miracast, the coloring on the displays that don't have a scaler gets all whacked out. It's like a whole shade different. And but it doesn't do that on the ones with scalers. So I don't know what that is. All right.